Do you love watching your baby bump grow, but don't love the growing itch that comes with it? Join the club. Pregnant bellies are itchy bellies, and they can get progressively itchier as the months pass. Itching for relief, you will be tempted to scratch, but try to resist since it will increase irritation and itching. Instead, rub that beautiful bump daily or as needed with a moisturizing cream or oil. Shea and cocoa butter are mom cult favorites, and one made with aloe can be extra soothing. A warm oatmeal or baking soda bath can also ease itch, but make sure you apply that moisturizer right after, while your skin is still damp. Need instant anytime relief? Try a cool compress. Don't reach for other anti-itch remedies, medicated or herbal, without checking in with your provider. Any body part that's growing during pregnancy can also become itchy, but check with your provider if you're experiencing any rashes with your itches, and call immediately if you notice severe itching all over your body, but particularly in your hands and feet, and especially at night. This could signal a rare but serious liver disorder called cholestasis that typically appears during the second or third trimester. It can cause serious risk for your baby if it isn't properly treated and monitored. Whatever the cause, that pregnancy itch will quit as soon as your baby, the one you're itching to see, arrives in your arms.